In this video, we are going to learn what we mean by a proper fraction. A proper fraction is a fraction in which the numerator is less than the denominator. That is, the number on top is less than the number on the bottom. Consider an example. Let us consider the fraction 2 divided by 5. Now, what is the numerator? It is the number on top, that is 2. And what is the denominator? It is the number on the bottom, that is 5. Now, 2 is less than 5, and so 2 divided by 5 is an example of a proper fraction. Now, let us model this fraction. For that, let us consider a rectangle. And since in the denominator we have 5, let us divide this rectangle into 5 equal parts. Now, in the numerator, we have 2. So 2 parts out of 5. So if we want to model this fraction, what we do is we shade 2 of these parts. And so this represents the fraction 2 over 5. Now note that the portion we have shaded is less than the whole rectangle. And this will always be the case for any proper fraction. That is, a proper fraction will always represent less than a whole. This is because since the numerator is less than the denominator, the number of parts we shade will always be less than the total number of parts that the entire rectangle is divided into. And because of that, a proper fraction is always less than 1. Now, let us have a look at a few practice problems. Let us determine whether or not each of the given fractions is a proper fraction. Consider the first fraction. We have 3 over 4. Now, what is the numerator? The numerator is the number on top, that is 3. And what is the denominator? It is the number on the bottom, that is 4. Now, 3 is less than 4. That means that the numerator is less than the denominator. And so, yes, 3 over 4 is a proper fraction. Consider the next fraction. We have 15 over 7. The numerator is the number on top, that is 15. And the denominator is the number on the bottom, that is 7. Now 15 is greater than 7. That means that 15 is not less than 7. And because of that, no, 15 over 7 is not a proper fraction. Consider the next fraction. We have 6 over 6. Now the numerator is the number on top, that is 6. And the denominator is the number on the bottom, that is 6. Now 6 is equal to 6. That means that the numerator is equal to the denominator, and so the numerator is not less than the denominator. And because of that, no, 6 over 6 is not a proper fraction. Consider the next fraction. We have 8 over 3. Now the numerator is 8, and the denominator is 3. Now 8 is greater than 3. It is not less than 3. And because of that, no, 8 over 3 is not a proper fraction. Next, we have 9 over 11. The numerator is 9, and the denominator is 11. Now, 9 is less than 11. So the numerator is less than the denominator, and so, yes, 9 over 11 is a proper fraction. And next, we have 24 over 25. The numerator is 24, and the denominator is 25. Now, 24 is less than 25. That is, the numerator is less than the denominator. And because of that, we can say that yes, 24 over 25 is a proper fraction. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. See you next time.